Bob Boldt HVAC is a trusted HVAC company in Dakota County, Minnesota, known for delivering high-quality heating and cooling services. From installation to repair and maintenance, their skilled technicians ensure reliable, energy-efficient solutions. With a strong focus on customer satisfaction, Bob Boldt HVAC is the go-to choice for all your HVAC needs. Call us today to schedule a service. How to find the best HVAC company in Dakota County? To find the best HVAC company, look for a provider with a solid reputation, experienced technicians, and excellent customer reviews. Make sure they offer comprehensive services, from installation to repair, and prioritize energy-efficient solutions. Bob Boldt HVAC checks all these boxes, making them the top choice for reliable HVAC service. What services do HVAC companies offer? HVAC companies offer a range of services including system installation, repair, and maintenance for heating, cooling, and ventilation systems. They also provide energy-efficient upgrades, duct cleaning, and emergency repairs. Bob Boldt HVAC delivers comprehensive HVAC solutions to keep your home comfortable year-round. How much do HVAC services cost? The cost of HVAC services varies depending on the type of service, system size, and complexity. Basic maintenance may range from $100 to $300, while repairs or installations can cost more based on the scope of the work. Bob Boldt HVAC provides transparent, upfront pricing to ensure you get high-quality service at a fair price. What are the areas near does Bob Boldt HVAC? Bob Boldt HVAC proudly serves several cities near Shakopee, Minnesota, providing reliable HVAC services. In addition to Shakopee, we extend our expert heating and cooling solutions to nearby cities like Rosemount, Eagan, Apple Valley, Inver Grove Heights, Burnsville, Farmington, Mendota Heights, South St. Paul, Lakeville, Cottage Grove, Bloomington, West St. Paul, Savage, Richfield, and Hastings, Minnesota. Where is the Bob Boldt HVAC Shakopee, Minnesota located? We are located at 5005 Dean Lakes Boulevard, Shakopee, Minnesota 55379. Our phone number is 651-237-3676. Visit our website, www.bobhvac.com/shakopee-mn.